This is Hammerblade V, and in today's video I will share a few quick tips on how to fix slow Android system issues on desktop. So I recommend that you begin by rebooting your phone. In order to do that, you will need to either press and hold the side power key, or if your key hold function is binded to launch Google Assistant, you'll need to simultaneously press volume up and once again power buttons. So just press them once, and the power off menu should be launched. And here simply tap at the restart. What you might also want to do in order to enhance the system performance is to open the list of recent apps and then tap at the clear all button to close all background active applications, hence freeing up the RAM, clearing RAM cache, and overall just giving your system a little more room to breathe. Then what you might also want to do is to perform a storage cleanup. The most effective and simple way to do that, in my opinion, is to use the Google Files app. So either launch it or get it installed and then launch it. Let me find where it is. Then inside the app, open the clean tool, or here it is, and then clean the junk files. And overall, Google Files app is pretty good with suggesting what measures you should take, so simply follow all the measures that you'll see here, well, as long as you don't mind following them, of course. And the last performance-related advice that I give to you is that you enable the RAM expansion feature, which is designed to increase the amount of RAM that is available to your system, hence enhancing multitasking, and overall just giving your system a little more room to work with in terms of random access memory, which directly and positively affects performance. In order to switch this feature on, you will need to launch your device's settings. Here enter the About Phone category, then tap at the RAM, switch on RAM expansion, select how many additional RAM gigabytes you would like to get, and then hit the Activate and Restart option, so the RAM expansion feature will have a chance to take effect. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section you'll find below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.